Hi class, this is Mrs. L and today we are in my kitchen and we're going to talk about capacity. Yes, we're in chapter 5 now and I have a little helper here with me here today. This is Jack. His brother's actually doing his science work for the day, so he's not going to be able to join us. So how do we use capacity every day? Well, we're going to do a little baking today. We're going to make some peanut butter Rice Krispie squares. So this is what we're going to be needing. And we have our ingredients and we have our measurement tools. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need 1 cup of corn syrup, and I have that measured out right there. And the other thing we need is 3/4 cup of sugar. Now, you can tell by my measuring cups, I don't have a 3/4 cup measure. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the 1/4 cup 3 times. So Jack, you put the corn syrup in the pot. And I did spray that with some cooking spray so it didn't stick, because this can get awfully sticky. Okay, that's good. And now take the 1/4 cup measure and put 3/4 cups into the pot. I'm going to measure it so it's all the way to the top. And yeah, it's going to be even. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So we're going to mix that together and we're going to bring that to the boil. Okay, so you can see that our mixture is coming to a boil. So Jack, what we have coming next is 1 cup of regular peanut butter. And then the 1/4 cup, we have 1/4 cup of butter. Okay, so now we're going to mix that together. Okay, so our peanut butter and our butter are all mixed in with our sugars. And now we're going to add a quarter, how much is it? 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And I did add a sprinkling of salt. So Jack, measure in the vanilla in the measuring spoon. Okay, dump it in, give it a quick mix. Here we go, and next we're going to add 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Now I have my giant measuring cup here and I measured out 6 cups. And I don't know if you can see that, but there is a 6 cup spot on the measuring cup, so I measured right to the top. So Jack, let's mix those in. And this has to go fairly quickly because we don't want those sugar. We took it off the heat, our heat is off. We don't want that to get too hard, so we'll mix that in. So now I sprayed an 8 by 8 by 2 baking dish with some cooking spray because this gets awfully sticky and gooey because it's so good. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to press down with a spoon, and I've just wet the back of the spoon with a little bit of cold water so it doesn't stick. A little more water. And there we go. That is peanut butter Rice Krispie squares. So class, what are you going to make? Post your pictures on Edmodo. I want to see what you're baking in the kitchen. See you guys later.